Here we have seen the value of 6.2 in 9 and 2. So value of 6.2, seeing the value of 6.2 in 9 mean difference and subtracting the value of 2 from that, we got 0.1589 and that will be divided by 10. So we get 0.01589 as the answer of this reciprocal. Next number is 1 upon 493.42. In that we are going to shift this decimal to two numbers to our left hand side and we will write 1 upon 4.9342 into 10 raised to 2. In reciprocals, always remember we have to shift the point up till the number we are having only one number to our left hand side. Means up till here only we have to shift the number. So seeing the value of 1 upon 4.9 in third column and in mean difference of 4, we get, in reciprocals we are seeing the value of 4.9 in third column, that is 2028, and in fourth column the value is 2. So we are going to subtract that 2 from 2028, so we get 2026. So the answer is 0.2026 divided by 10 raised to 2. This 10 raised to 2 will be multiplied to our answer and we will get into 10 raised to minus 2. This will be the answer. Now we are having this number. In that we are going to shift this number to our right hand side, having only one decimal point over there, 247 into 10 raised to minus 3. We are shifting towards right hand side, that's why we have a negative number raised to it. Now we will see the value of reciprocal of 3.2 in 4th and 7th column. Value of 3.2 in 4th column, it is 3086, and in 7th column it is 7. We are going to subtract 7 from 3086, so we get 3079. 0.3079 divided by 10 raised to minus 3. This 10 raised to minus 3 will go up and we will multiply that, so we will get 3079 into 10 raised to 3. In this way we have to see the values of reciprocals. Next we are going to see how to find out the values of square roots also. So this was for reciprocals. In square roots also, as we have shifted the points in reciprocals, the same way we are going to shift the point for square roots also. But the most important thing is that we are going to shift those points into the multiple of 2. Okay, because we are going to take the square root of that number, that's why the exponentials should be into multiple of 2. For example, if I am taking the square root of 324762 and I have the values of square roots from 1 to 10 and 10 to 100, that means I should convert this number in 1-digit number or 2-digit number. So we will shift this number in such a way that I will get the value in multiple of 2, a value of exponential in multiple of 2, means I am shifting this point to the 4 digits to my left hand side. So this will be 32.4762 into 10 raised to 4. I have converted this number into exponential form. This root will be divided into two numbers, that is 32.4762 into square root of 10 raised to 4. In square roots we are going to see the value of 32 in 4th and 7th column, but in square roots from 10 to 100. We will see the value of square roots from 10 to 100. It is before reciprocals. In that 32, we will see the value of 32 in 4th column, that is 5.692, and we will add the mean difference in them, that is 7. Mean difference is 6. So 5.692 plus 6 will give you 5.698. 5.698 into this will be 10 raised to 2 because we are going to take the square root of 10 raised to 4. In this way, we will get the value of square root for our given number. Now, if I am taking this kind of example, 329.72, again I will convert this number into the exponential of 2 and between 1 to 10 and 10 to 100. So when I will shift this point to left hand side, I will get 3.2972 into 10 raised to 2. Now this 3.2972 number lies between 1 to 10. 3.2972 number lies between the square roots of 1 to 10. So we will see the square root of 3.2972 and square root of 10 raised to 2. So square root of 3.2 in ninth column, square root of 3.2 in ninth column, it is 1.814, and we will add the mean difference of seventh column in it, that is 2. So the answer is 1.816 into 10. Because this 10 raised to 2 means what? It is square root of 100 and square root of 100 is 10. That's why I have written over there 10. So this 10 will be multiplied and I will get answer as 18.16. The square root of 329.72 will be 18.16. Similarly, we will take one more example and find the value of square root of it. Taking 62947.32. If this is the number and I want to see the square root of it, I will shift this point to 4 digits to my right hand side to convert it into exponential of multiple of 2. So I will get square root of 6.294732 into 10 raised to 4. Always remember, we are shifting the point in such a way that I will get either 1 digit number or 2 digit number because we are having values from 1 to 10 and 10 to 100. That's why we are shifting these numbers, this point in such a way that either I will get 1 digit number or 2 digit number. Depending on that also, we have to look for the exponential value over here. That should be always in multiple of 2. Always remember, it should be in multiple of 2. Now, seeing the value of square root of 6.2 in 9 and 4. Square root of 6.2. We are going to see this value from square roots from 1 to 10 because this number is between 10. So, seeing the value of 6.2 in ninth column, 2.508 plus 4, that is 1. So, it is 2.509. This is the square root of 6.294732 into square root of 10 raised to 4 will be 100, means it is 10 raised to 2. So multiplying it, we will get 250.9. So the square root of 62947.32 will be 250.9. In this way, we are going to see the square roots for each and every number. We will take one more example for that. If we are having points over here, means square root of 0.00329. In this case, you will think that we should shift the point over here, but we will not shift over here. Why? Because we will get exponential in 10 raised to minus 3. That's why instead of shifting this point after 3, we will shift this point after 2. That means we will write over here like this, 32.93 into 10 raised to minus 4, because we are shifting this point to the 4 numbers to our right hand side. we have written this number into 2-digit number and written this exponential into multiple of 2. Now we will see the value of square root in numbers from 10 to 100. So seeing the value of 32 in 9th and 3rd column, we will get 5.739 into 10 raised to minus 2. We have taken the square root of 10 raised to minus 4. How? Again I am writing it. We will write this as square root of 32.93 into square root of 10 raised to minus 4. So square root of 10 raised to minus 4 is 10 raised to minus 2 and square root of 32.93 is 5.739. In this way we are going to see the values of squares and square roots. Now if we have seen how to do the multiplication, division and subtraction, right? I will have one complex example where I will include reciprocals, square roots and different numbers also. 0.42 into square root of 393.4 divided by 49.762 into 0.639. Okay. Now before going for the calculations, we are going to simplify these parts. So first directly you can write down 1 upon, separately solve them, see the value of this reciprocal. We will convert this number into 6.9342 into 10 raised to 2. See the value of 1 upon 6.93 and 4. In reciprocals we will get value of 6.9 in 3rd column. It is 0.1443 and the value of 4 is 1. We will subtract it. So we will get 0.1442 into 10 raised to minus 2. This 10 raised to 2 will be multiplied to our answer. That's why it is 10 raised to minus 2. Now we have to second find out the value of 393.4. Square root of 393.4. We have to convert this number and exponential into 10 raised to 2 means multiple of 2. So we will get square root of 3.934 into 10 raised to 2. This is our conversion of the number. We will see the value of square roots. We will see the value of square roots from 1 to 10. In that we will see the value of 3.9 in 3rd column. 3.9 in 3rd column. It is 1.982 and add 1 in it. So it is 1.983 into 10. Because we have taken the square root of 10 raised to 2 also, that is 10. So we will get here 19.83. Now once the reciprocals and square roots are simplified, we will substitute these values over here. We will get 0.1442 into 10 raised to minus 2 into 19.83 divided by 49.762 into 0.639. Now we will solve the simplified equation by our log calculations. Okay. Now we are knowing that when there is multiplication we do addition and there is division we do subtraction. So solving this, we will first separate the exponential, that is 10 raised to minus 2. We will keep it aside and we will solve the equation. So this equation will turn out to be 0.1442 into 19.83 divided by 49.762 into 0.639. Here we are keeping this exponential aside, and now we will see the log of numerator and log of denominator, add both of those logs and subtract them from each other. So seeing the log of 14 in fourth and second column, we will get, I am solving it over here, 0, 1, 0 means there will be bar 1 point. Seeing the value of 14 in fourth column, that is 1584, and adding 6 in it, we will get 1590. 1590 plus seeing the log of 19 in 8th and 3rd column. First we will write down the characteristic part, that is 1, because it is 2-digit number. 2 minus 1, 1. Seeing the value in 8th column of 19th part, 8th column, it is 2967 plus 7, it is 2974. 2974. Adding log of these two numbers, this is bar 1 means it is minus 1 plus 1, it becomes 0. So this is the addition of log of numerator. Now we are going to do the addition of log of denominator. So seeing the value of 49, that is what, 1 point. 49 in 7th column, 6964 plus 5 means it is 6969. 6969 plus seeing the log of 0.639, 0, there is single 0, so there will be bar 1 point. Seeing the log of 63 in 9th column, 63 in 9th column, it is 8055. Adding these two, carry over 1, this 1 and minus 1 will be cancelled, we will have 1 over here. Now subtracting log of numerator minus log of denominator, subtracting these two. Now we will carry over 1 from 0, so 0 will become bar 1, and here we will get 14. So 14 minus 5 is 9, and this minus 1 and minus 1 will become minus 2, minus 1 becomes minus 2. So we will see the anti-log of 95 in 4th and 0. Seeing the anti-log of 95 in 4th and 0, we will get 8995. 8995. So we have seen the anti-log of 95 in 4th, and 0 is not there, that's why we will see the value of 95 in 4th. And here we are having bar 2, we always add 1 in it. In anti-log we always add 1. So we will put a point over here and write 10 raised to minus 2 of these calculations. Okay. Now we are done with these calculations. So we will again multiply this 10 raised to minus 2 over here. So we will get 8.995 into 10 raised to minus 4 as our final answer. Okay. Again I am explaining what we have done. First we have seen the value of reciprocal, then we have seen the value of square root, then we separately added the log of numerator, log of denominator, subtracted those logs, seen the anti-log of that number, and wrote down the final answer. In this way we can do the calculations, complex calculations for log and anti-log. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share with your friends also. Thank you.